Right. In the question, the first question கொஞ்சம் பாருங்க. Ruvini வந்து they are saying a loan of 84,000 rupees is taken from a finance company for a year at an annual simple interest rate and the television set is bought. At the end of the year, the loan is settled by paying the loan amount and interest of 10,920 rupees. So they are giving the direct interest here. So for the first one, it is a simple interest. So it's very easy to find out the answer. See here, since it's a simple interest, we can quote this answer like this. For 84,000, Ruvini has got the interest 10,920. This 10,920 is the interest for Ruvini for the amount of 84,000. So therefore, if you want to calculate the interest rates, see here in the question they are giving you the two exact things. First one, at the end of the year. The second one, annual simple interest. So here at the end of the year means they are charging this 10,920 rupees for 1 year. So it means we don't want to divide this interest. This is the complete interest for 1 year. So according to this question, we can say for 84,000 they are charging 10,920 rupees as a annual interest amount. So here if you want to calculate the percentage, just multiply these fraction with 100%, because it's an annual simple interest rate means you can easily multiply with 100. So I think if you do this question directly, you'll get the answer 0 0 0 0 cut, again 0 0 cut, 1092 divided by 84, so 1 and 25 252, so we'll get 30. So here for the case of Ruvini, we can say her interest rate for the year, it means the annual interest rate is 30. So students, please just take down this answer in one side, because we are going to do the measurement for the second scenarios, it means the Manals. So we are going to do we are going to calculate the annual interest rate for Manal. So if I take Manal's one, so I can erase it, can just take down the previous one about Ruvini, and now I am going to write about Manal's one. Right here, if I take the Manal's one, the television set is bought on hire purchase with the amount and interest to be paid in 12 equal monthly installments. Okay, so 12 months. And the next one, here the interest is calculated on the reducing balance method. Okay, when the payment of the installment is completed with the year, it's also an year, the same total interest of 10,920 rupees is paid by Ruvini. Okay, now we have to calculate the annual interest rate for Ruvini's interest 10,920. It means for how many percentage, or how much percentage it's will be 10,920. So we have to do reverse. We have to do this question in reverse. For example, here we have two choices. The first one is, we know the exact amount is 84,000. So the first step, even though it's a direct method or the reverse method, first step we have to do is, first we have to divide the amount by the month. So 84,000 divided by 7, it is 77,000. 84,000 is divided by 12 is 7,000. It is a first thing we have to do. Second one, I'll tell you, the 7,000 is the monthly interest without monthly amount without the interest. So this 7,000 is a monthly amount without the interest. So now we have to calculate the monthly interest. For that, we know if it is a 12 month, so we have to calculate the month units. So we have to calculate the month unit. The method to calculate the month unit is 12 into 13, the next number divided by 2. 12 into 13, the next number divided by 2, it will gives you 18 months. So 18 months is a month units. So 18 month units. So as you know, month units are the most important things in the calculation of reducing balance method. So we have calculated the 18 as a month unit. So I'll tell you the first step is you have to calculate the monthly amount without the interest. The second step is we have to calculate the month units. So we know 7,000 and these 18. Now we got these two things again. So again, the third step we have to calculate the month interest. We have to calculate the month interest. For that, I can say month interest mean, so here month interest into month units. Month interest into month units, it's equal to the total interest. It's equal to the total interest. This is the one example. It relates with the reducing balance method. So month interest into month units equal to the total interest. In this question, we are doing the reverse method. We know the total interest. The total interest is 10,920. That is the total interest. And we know the month units. Now we have calculated the month unit as 18. So if you want to calculate the month interest, it means the interest for a month. The interest for a month unit, if you want to calculate, you have to divide the total interest by the monthly units. So 10,920 divided by 8. 10,920 divided by 8. So you will get the answer for the month unit. So if you calculate the monthly interest, the interest for the month units, it means 10,920 divided by 18. You will get the answer 140. You will get the answer 140. I am skipping the simplifying methods because of the duration of this video. So you can just do the simplifications and find out how I got these answers. So 140 is the answer. Then 140 is the monthly interest. Then what is the next steps? 144 these 7,000. 144 these 7,000 into 100% into 12. 140 into 7, 7,000 into 100% into 12. Because it's a month now, so it's a 12 months, so we have to multiply by 12. It means the annual rate. We have to calculate the annual rate. That's why I put 12. So if I calculate this, I can cut 2 zeros, 2 0 0 0. Here 2 into 12, 24. 2 into 12, 24%. So now, as the reducing balance method for Manal, she may got 24% as the annual rate. But for Ruvini, she can get 13%. So as per the question, see here, as per the question they are saying, find separately the annual interest rates and at which the interest is paid by the two of them, and show that the annual interest rate charged in a hire purchase method is more than the annual interest rate charged by the finance company. The hire purchase method is more. So annual interest rate in the hire purchase. The hire purchase is 24 The higher purchase is 24 percentage, so it's more than the 30 percentage. Okay, no, this is the answer for the first question.